Greetings, fellow speculators. There's a little company I like to watch. I got it on my bargain list called Goldmines because it trades at a discount to cash. There's no new news on this one, but I just wanted to reiterate the price of this company is quite amazing. The market's down, yes, it's down. The stock is down a lot over time, and it's really down in the gutter price-wise. Market cap $3.4 million. Their latest financials, CDAR.com, if I can spell right, shows how much money they have and what they're spending. So I don't know if you ever check in on financials of these companies, but I like to. Feel like I get a little bit of a competitive advantage against other speculators by getting to know these companies better than most others. 'Cause I don't think many people actually look at the financials of these companies, look at the regulatory filings of these things. So this was published February 25th, but the date of the timestamp of the money is actually December 31st of 2014. So if we go to their balance sheet, cash and cash equivalents. This is a really basic, simple balance sheet. It's a small company. There's not a whole lot going on. Cash, $4.9 million at the end of 2014. Some receivables, prepaid expenses, assets. This is theoretically how much they've spent on their projects over time. What did we say the market cap was? $3.4 million. And these guys have spent $44 million on their projects. Talk about buying something at a discount. I mean, I doubt all that money was spent wisely, but in retrospect, but still coming in after learning all that information for pennies on the dollar is kind of a fun feeling. Accounts payable, I mean, these are bills, outstanding bills, $840,000. So I guess you could take that out of the cash. You could say they have a little bit less, but if you go down to expenses, their cash flow statement, this is a really simple cash flow statement. Corporate and administrative expenses, $139,000. That's for 3 months. That's a little less than 50 grand a month. What, $47,000 a month? Yeah, they pay some shares and some amortization, but since then management's changed. They've been dropping people. I think they've been lowering expenses, so it's probably even less. Let's round up to $50,000 a month to keep it simple and have a little bit of margin of error. Let's take that $800-something thousand bill out of there. They still got a little over $4 million. And if you bring it to present, January, February, March, April, May, that's like 250 grand. If you knock that off of their cash, they're at like $3,750,000. And if you were to basically rob this company's bank account and throw all the business out the window, that's cash values, 3.7. So if we go back to that market cap, 3.4, they're still trading at a discount to that. I mean, we're not talking about big dollars here, but you can start to see and grasp a floor and a share price of a company like this. As long as they don't keep blowing through money on stupid stuff, they keep it conservative like they have. They've got a partner, Randgold, paying the bills to explore some of their properties, and maybe some exploration comes out of that. So if we know this company better than most anyone else, we can see the news releases coming through. We can see the action coming from that partner and be the first ones to buy shares at discount to cash, hopefully still as the news comes through in this dead market, and speculate on the results of one of those projects materializing. That's why I'm watching Goldmines and following them quite closely. So if you're interested in Goldmines, I'd suggest you go to Goldmines website, sign up for their updates, as well as subscribing to my YouTube channel. I'll keep you updated with video updates like this as I see it. Thank you for listening.